This is Michael's book. As you can see here, Brain Quest, grade 4. He's grade 3 age, ages 9 and 10. He just turned 9. You can see the different subjects this book covers. Okay, science. Aligns with the National Common Core standards. It's a fantastic book. It really, a whole year of curriculum-based exercises and activities in one fun book. And the thing is, it gives us a guideline of what kind of things are out there for kids his age. And, it's just fantastic. There's plurals, compound words, and guide words. Done a lot of, this is a lot of vocabulary type stuff. Okay. This is just vocabulary. We have a lot of fun with it too. We don't do it like, he draws his lines jagged and zigzags and all this stuff, because no one's going to be grading this. But anyway, okay. Antonyms, stuff like that. Let's break it down. Syllables, 3-consonant blend, all this stuff. Doing tons of stuff, and we just have a lot of fun with it. Commas. Okay. Right in the missing commas. You gotta go in and put them in. Might be hard to see, but he put them in. Learned a lot about commas and quotations recently. There's punctuation. You fill in the proper punctuation. Stuff like that. Instead of rewriting it, I just have him edit for speed. Concrete nouns versus abstract nouns. I had him, just draw the lines instead of rewriting them, just for speed. He zigzagged them for fun, but then he did them straight. Past tense of each verb, all that kind of stuff. There's linking verb, crossword puzzle, linking verbs, adjectives, intensifiers, nouns and adjectives, adverbs. Okay. Right in the adverb. Here's a word search about adverbs that he hasn't done yet. We always do the word searches. We like that, so we'll get that. This is the next one he's going to do. And we started it. Adverb modifies the verb. And that's where we are at this point. And then in the math section, he's done quite a bit. Again, we've only been doing with this book for a couple of months, but this is 4th grade level math, okay, multiplying out. And he didn't know how to do this, but I taught him and he learned it, picked it up very quickly. Now he's moving on to division, and he's learning how to do, the good old-fashioned long division. Okay. You can see here, learning the techniques. Again, this is Michael, and this is a 4th grade book. And he's at 3rd grade level. There's more multiplication stuff. Doing all this stuff. Right. See here. Okay. What else we got here? Yeah, here are some subtractions. We did that too. Additions, carrying, subtractions, borrowing, all that jazz. There's other stuff in here we haven't gotten to yet. Probability data. Oh, here's one we did, okay. Odds, the odds of certain probabilities of certain things happening. Okay. What are the odds of landing on black? 1 in 16, because there's 16 slices and black has 1 slice. There's more probability. You can see Michael did all this stuff. And we haven't, we kind of skip around a section, so we haven't proceeded yet on probability, but we're going to keep moving. This book is just chock full of stuff. You can see here you got geography. There's an answer key back here. Some of this stuff, there's also reading comprehension in here. Yeah, here's fractions and decimals. That's he's already started fractions. Again, he's in 3rd grade. I didn't even touch fractions till late 4th grade. And here it is, subtracting fractions. He hasn't done common denominators yet, but we'll be getting to that soon. He picks up stuff quickly, so see here. A few more. This is where we stopped on fractions. This is where we're at on fractions, but we're going to proceed on that. And here's patterns, math patterns. Michael loves patterns. And here it said make your own patterns. And he made his own patterns. And I think this bottom one, I think I made this for him. And he had to figure out the next number, something like that. These are all squares: 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared, 8 squared. And he created some pattern here for me. And he's very good at patterns. Very good. Here's another one, count by tens. Oh, rounding was another one you see here. Estimate the sums. This is estimation. Greater than, less than, so on and so forth. Here's Roman numerals. Okay, Michael has Roman numerals mastered. Okay, he will read any Roman numeral for you, and he will create any Roman numeral for you, and he's got it mastered. And it didn't take long, because I am a master at Roman numerals myself, and I taught him very precisely how to do it. Okay. Now I'm starting to get into negatives. This is easy for him because I've been teaching him negatives for a long time. Okay. This is time, digital time, so on and so forth. Here we are at addition with carrying and so forth. So that's that. Let's look at the table of contents here. Table of contents, okay. Spelling and vocabulary, language arts, reading, writing, math skills, addition and subtraction, multiplication, geometry, measurement, probability, and words. This is all in addition to the homework that he gets from the class that he goes to, which is also excellent. They give him packets for grammar, and they have him like, okay, make the grammatical corrections and stuff like that. So this book is very fun to work with, and they really enjoy it, and we have a lot of fun going through it, and it gives an excellent guideline for what we need to know.